Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to buy USD on KuCoin. First, ensure your KuCoin account is set up and verified. You'll need to complete identity verification to access all purchasing options. We'll cover various methods, including using fiat currency directly, trading other cryptocurrencies, and exploring the peer-to-peer market. Understanding these options will help you choose the best way to acquire USD for your needs. To buy USD with fiat, navigate to the Buy Crypto section on KuCoin. You can choose to use a credit or debit card for instant purchases or opt for bank transfer, which might take a few business days. Always review the available payment methods and any processing fees before confirming your transaction. This ensures you get the most value from your purchase. If you already hold other cryptocurrencies, you can easily trade them for USD on KuCoin's spot market. Go to the trading interface and select the desired trading pair, such as Ethereum versus USD. You can place a market order for immediate execution at the current price, or a limit order to buy USD when it reaches a specific price point. KuCoin also offers a peer-to-peer, or P2P, market where you can buy USD directly from other users using various payment methods. Additionally, the Fast Buy option provides a streamlined process for quick purchases. Always compare seller ratings and payment options on the P2P platform to ensure a secure and favorable transaction. These methods offer flexibility and choice.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.